A woman throws her mother-in-law out of the house because her son had died in an accident. She says that the old woman has no right to live there because her son is dead. The mother-in-law asks where she should go if she cannot stay there, but the woman tells her to pick up her belongings and leave. At that moment, a man arrives and asks why a young woman is harassing an old lady. The woman angrily replies that it is their personal matter. Feeling helpless, the mother-in-law asks the man to leave, saying he cannot do anything anyway, but the woman threatens her and warns that she will teach her a lesson if she does not go. The man refuses to leave, saying he has seen everything. When the woman asks if he knows her relationship with the old lady, he replies that no matter the relationship, she has no right to treat her like this. The man then comforts the old woman and tells her not to worry, explaining that his company has a legal department and asks her what the problem is. The old woman explains that her son died in a car accident, and after that, her daughter-in-law started going out, eating, drinking, and roaming with her friends every day. When she tried to advise her slightly, the daughter-in-law became angry and said it was her house, and she could do whatever she wanted, telling the old woman to leave if she had a problem. The man asks whether the daughter-in-law wants to throw her out, and the old woman replies that she wants to enjoy herself with her friends. When the man asks whose house it is, the mother-in-law says it belongs to her, but the daughter-in-law claims that since she married her son and has been living there, the house is hers. The mother-in-law explains that they bought the house by collecting money, but the woman insists that since her son is dead, the house now belongs to her. The man then asks whether compensation money was received after the accident. The old woman says that 6 lakh yuan was received, but the daughter-in-law took all the money and did not give her even a single penny. The woman angrily claims the money is hers because her husband married her. The man confirms that she spent all the money on her friends and gave nothing to the old woman. When he asks whether the old woman is telling the truth, the woman refuses to accept it and again claims the money is hers, shamelessly scolding the old woman. The man warns that if this behavior continues, he will immediately file a case and suggests going to court. He tells the old woman not to be afraid, explaining that if such treatment continues, she will soon have neither food nor shelter. Frightened, the woman agrees to give the money and is told to send 3 lakh yuan to the old woman's account. She shouts that it is too much and tries to bargain for 1 lakh, but the man refuses to accept even a penny less. In the end, the woman sends the money but still threatens her mother-in-law. The man advises the old woman not to talk to her and to inform him if there is any problem. Friends are then asked whether the man did the right or wrong thing by getting justice for the old woman. And viewers are requested to share their opinion in the comments and share the video so more people can give their views.